Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Hacoo. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Hacoo and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you.